the appellant in this matter.
Very on behalf of the respondent.
Order to the order.
Judgment. Order.
Will kindly see the last order passed by the coordinate bench in this matter.
Date of the ordinance?
29 December 2025. 29 December 2025.
Yes.
No. এই coordinate bench এই appeal order to
Yes. It has not been annexed to the stay application?
No, my lord. This is 29th after
After this,
filing the stay application.
order passed in the stay application. 29 December. Economics specialist.
এগুলো তুলে দাও না, এখানে স্টে অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা সাহেবকে তুলে দাও। Each order to come.
Yeah, there shall be stay of employment. Stay of
Stay.
stay for
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Now, my lord, the Honorable Division Bench earlier also given the reason to pass the order. That's the different thing. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 77, which is impugned in the appeal. May I read it, my lord? Yes, my lord. Matter is heard in presence of the learned advocate representing the petition. State respondent and West Bengal Central Service Portion. Petitioner participated in the second level selection for 2025 Portion. Second SLST for being appointed as assistant teacher in economics. PG for class 9 and 11 and 12. Petitioner was declared successful in written test and in the list prepared by the commission for participation in personality test. Names of the petitioner featured. Petitioner was intimated to appear before the interview board on 19 December 2025 at 10 a.m. by the concerned authority of the commission. However, petitioner could not appear before the interview on medical issue. Petitioner pressed for direction upon the concerned authority of the Swansea to permit person. Mr. Swansea representing the commission has opposed this writ petition and it is submitted that if the petition is permitted to person in an ongoing personality, floodgate will open and similarly circumstances other candidates will get right to approach the authority for consideration of candidature related. It is contended on behalf of the commission that since process relating to personality is almost complete and final list has been prepared, based on personality test, commission would find it difficult to accommodate the petitioner by permitting her to participate. In addition thereto, attention of this court has been drawn to page 50 of the writ petition, which is later dated 22nd December 2025 of the petitioner addressed to the chairman of the commission seeking permission to participate in the personal. In reference to the letter answer, it is submitted that medical issue was not the only issue. For the petitioner could not before the interview could not, but there was other issues related to family of the petitioner. Submitted medical documents which are annexed to the writ petition are not disclosed at the time of sending letter. Dated 22nd December to the committee considering the submission made on behalf of the party and taking off the notes of fact in the court finds that the petitioner participated in second list for being appointed as the teacher. Petitioner qualified in the written test and after found first round of selection process marks was allotted to the petitioner. Before commencement of personality, petitioner was intimated to appear before the interview board on 19th December by intimation letter. Is at page 44 of the writ, but petitioner could not appear before the interview board on medical ground. And in support of some medical grounds are annexed to the writ petition, which are at page 46 to 49. On perusal of prescription issued by medical practitioner, dated 18 December 85, it appears the petitioner was advised to take bed rest. It is also necessary to record hearing that personality test is still continuing, but it is submitted on behalf of the commission that in respect of economics is complete. However, taking note of the fact that the petitioner was not medically fit on the scheduled date of personality test, that is on 19 December 2005, and the personality test is still continuing, concerned authority of the commission is directed to permit the petitioner to participate in the personality test, thereby extending opportunity to the petitioner to offer for candidate in personality test. The petitioner comes within the zone of consideration. Based on a purpose, reasonable consequent steps shall be taken. Well, this is against this order, this appeal was filed.
Personality test is over, Mr.
Yes. The personality test is over. I just tell you, losses one thing. Everything is over. What has happened? Scheduled cost persons.
Not over, Mr.
I'm just telling you. Can you hear me? I am just when I am telling you, kindly. What has happened? He is not scheduled cost or any other category. What has happened, Millard? There are a number of scheduled caste candidates, those who made the petition before this court, saying that the scheduled caste in the app itself, it has gone wrong. In the instead of civil code, it went to general category. But ultimately, division bench has ultimately division bench presided by Justice Bosser fixed up a time limit on the date the hearing of the matter and said that within 24 hours, who will enter into the app, their cases would be considered by the commission. We accepted that. We accepted that order, and then immediately we opened the app. 24 hours times were given. Now those who have fulfilled that, and after verification, they have been asked to appear tomorrow on 8th.
Where is that order of coordinate bench?
No, that is in Somnath Pramanik matter. I'll give it to you.
I will give it to you. And 3 persons.
So what did the court direct?
Court direct that those who have filed the writ petition up to 2:30
Date of the order is
on 16th.
2nd of December.
16th of December.
So court said those who have filed writ petition up to
2:30 that day, 2:30 or 3 o'clock on 16th December.
Yes.
Whether they filed, not affirmed, filed. Maybe taken up, may not be taken up. Maybe taken up, may not be taken up. They are having the liberty to fulfill again in the app, which should be opened by the West Bengal School Service Commission. Opened for 24 hours. And we opened it and kept it for 24 hours.
Which is the order?
Even bigger copy. Yes, then what happened?
Now, amongst those who have filed it, they have been called in the verification first.
So on that, then what happened? When did you open the app?
16th night.
I think you kept it open till 17th of
Yes.
Night.
17th close. Here, in this case, date of interview was when?
19th.
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 After that, cause of action is separate. Can you read that?
Mr. Samim, first you argue the matter, then I will argue. No. You are so enthusiastic that in every court, every time you have to argue first. What type of lesson you have got it from your senior?
That is his age, Mr. Bandhavandha.
Not age. It doesn't know the courtesy even. He thinks that all lawyers are bad. Only Mr. Samim is the hero of the Calcutta High Court.
Oh, okay.
Then see 24th, 20 from 16.
Don't know courtesy when the senior argues.
You kept the app open for 24 hours.
24 hours. Now, after that, those who have edited in the app, they are called for verification. But this is not written here because it is not the matter where it has been anything. Since your lordship have observed.
That is not referred to in the order.
No, nothing. So for your lordship's knowledge only.
Yes.
Nothing. Now, out of that, they have been called in the verification. And in the verification, at least 46 persons could fulfill 46% could fulfill everything. They have been called in interview on 8th. We would have published the list on 7th, means today. But because of the High Court's order, we had to delay it. And another 3 persons, there's a tribal that is we have committed certain mistakes during the verification. And state government later on sent us letter that 3 persons have been given. Now here is the case, my lord, that this website kindly come to paragraph 6 and 7.
Of?
No, sorry, my lord. Kindly come to paragraph 7, page 30. Page 30. That is the writ petition.
The writ petition, page 30.
My lord, that is continuing page. Stay application, page 30.
30. Yes.
That is the paragraph 7 of the writ petition.
Yes.
Similar, your petitioner respectfully state that petitioner used to keep eye on the website, but for the few days, the petitioner became very sick. It is pertinent to mention herein that the interview list was published, but there was no mentioning of interview date. The respondent commission by a subsequent notification mentioned the intimation letter for interview can be downloaded from the website. The petitioner became sick for few days. When the petitioner downloaded the intimation letter from the commission's website to appear for the oral interview, the petitioner finds that on that day her interview was scheduled December 19, 2020, but due to her illness, she could not appear in the interview process. Pursuant to the interview letter issued so and so. However, one day before the scheduled interview, the petitioner was certainly, kindly see now, but one day before the scheduled interview, the petitioner was certainly afflicted with a severe bout of acute diarrhea for vomiting, leading to a state of extreme physical weakness and medically unable. Due to this sudden and deliberate health care, which was beyond the petitioner control, she was physically incapacitated. Therefore, one day before she became sick. From 13th it was in the website.
That was in the website?
From 13th December. That your lordships will find.
Now, what is the procedure? After this is the interview date is communicated only on
Website.
No other communication?
No.
So it came up in the website on 13th December.
13th December. Kindly come to me, Lord, page 4. Mr. Bhattacharya, either you argue or otherwise I will argue.
Sorry, sir.
What type of juniors you are? Either you argue or I argue. I am not so much competent like all of you, like today's juniors.
Yes, Mr. Bandhavadhan.
Kindly see paragraph 4. Page 4, paragraph 4. The intimation letter for personality test were uploaded on the website of the commission before 13 December 2025. About the writ petition.
We are not getting
Page 4 of the state petition.
Page 4 of the state. No. Oh. Yes.
The intimation letter for personality test were uploaded on the website of the commission before 13 December 2025. However, the writ petitioner admitted in paragraph 7 of the that she downloaded the intimation letter from the commission website on 19 December 2005. She said that one day before she became weak. Now, from 13 she didn't check it up.
No.
Now, my lord, kindly come to. Yes, my lord.
However, one day before the scheduled date. Oh, your contention is that it was uploaded on 13 December. She opened the website 4 days thereafter.
4 days thereafter, then he found. 5 days.
That is 18 December.
No, 19 December she found.
I think was the interview.
Paragraph 14, on that day she opened it.
However, one day before the where it was scheduled to happen. Where is that?
She became ill one day before 19 December.
Where he had opened.
My lord, kindly come to
Anything about it.
paragraph 7 of the kindly come to page 30.
Yes. Subsequently mentioned the intimation letter can be downloaded.
The petitioner is said to appear the oral interview. The petitioner finds that on that day her interview was scheduled, that is December 19, 2022. He opened on 19 December. She opened on 19 December 2025.
One day before he was afflicted with the severe.
Yes, one day before he was affected with the illness. That is from 18th. 13 to 18, there was nothing.
কদিন ধরে মানে 13 থেকে 19 পর্যন্ত নাকি না jail date?
Interview last date was 19th.
উনিশ তারিখে ডাউনলোড করলো 19 তারিখ
That date. Oh, he opened on 19th.
And she sent the email on 22nd.
এই পিটিশনে যে 19 তারিখে ডাউনলোড করেছে এইখানে সেই পিটিশন that she downloaded intimation letter from the on 19th. কিন্তু তার আগে থেকে one day before the scheduled date in 19 এর আগে she was
13 to 17 he did.
he did that.
Now, my lord, kindly come to
Yes.
kindly come to my lord page just 1 minute, my lord. Huh? 74. Kindly come to my lord, page 74. Paragraph 30 Madam, kindly come to page 74.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 74 now of the stay petition.
Yes.
Madam, can I please? To the chairman, West Bengal Central School Commission, so can I say apology for missed interview? Subject economics, roll number, so. Then, please accept my sincere apologies for missing my interview for the assistant teacher position 2012 scheduled from 19th at reporting time 10 am. I deeply regret this oversight. Unfortunately, I had a sudden medical issue and also I experienced an unexpected family emergency. I understand the importance of the professionalism and punctuality and take full responsibility for not informing you sooner. I am very interested in this role and the opportunity to work with you. Would it be possible to reschedule the interview? For another time, I am available at any time or any day or at your earliest convenience. Now, my lord, kindly see. It has been sent on next page 51, 22nd December 2025 at 7:15 p.m. by mail. Then we will kindly see the certificate. What is certificate? Kindly come to page 72. Huh? Kindly come to page 70. Private doctor. PGDCCC, pediatrics, child specialist. Diploma in child care nutrition.
Yes.
Then she went to, but one paragraph I will again show paragraph 31. Page 31, kindly come to page 31.
Yes.
Kindly see page 31.
Yes.
There are somewhere it was written also his husband also became ill.
Very
Anyway,
good.
now the point is, Milord, the point is, I will argue that if anyone missed the chance, he has missed the chance. He or she has missed the chance. Whatever the Milord the reason. Process of selection.
We are wanting because the child court proceeded on the basis as the process is going on, giving one chance. This was the
No, that we have said to the trial court. We also will find.
we are asking.
These are, I am telling to you, so these are reason based. That we have said it. In that reason, what is the reason? Southeastern reason, 19th was last date for the economics.
So you mean
Now, Southeastern 19th and 20th. And the trial court proceeds that in Eastern region, that is on 24th December 2025 to 26th December 2025.
'24 to
26th. That is Eastern region, complete different region.
is this petitioner is from Southeastern.
Southeastern region.
So why didn't you tell this to the court that it is over now?
No, we have said so. That order has,
You say.
we have said.
The basis that kindly come
My
to
lord, court, can I show the video? What I have said, whether it is recorded or not recorded, can I show the video? What I argued before the court. Every point is written by the court, then there would not have been any difficulties for anyone. Kindly come to the impugned order, paragraph 4.
the application you have said that you have submitted this court did not consider.
No, kindly come to paragraph 4 of the impugned order.
Yes. Personality test is almost complete.
And finalist has been prepared based on personality test commission. Would you find it difficult in accommodate the petition of a permitting her? In addition, therein attention of this court has been drawn to page 50. Will kindly come to paragraph 6 last.
Paragraph 6, last. But it is submitted on. Oh, yes. In respect of it is complete. এবার ফাইনাল টেস্টটা কালকে পাবলিশ করবে
Now, I tell you, lots of the difficulties are. Lord, the slot is fixed. Slot for interview. Interview slot is fixed for every places.
Yes.
There is no scope, my lord, either to curtail or to add. Then the expert, availability of the expert. Kindly come to, my lord, page 55. Page 55. Constantly. Page 55, kindly come. Schedule 3.
55.
Page 55, running page.
Yes.
This is a part of the rules. Schedule 3. For the purpose of holding interview, the interview board shall be constituted by the Central Commission with the following members. The members from the Central Commission, one of whom must not be below the rank of assistant professor of a college, university, who shall preside. The other members shall not be below the rank of assistant professor of a college or university. There must be at least one subject expert among the two members. In the absence of an assistant professor, the member nominated by the Central Commission shall preside. Two members from Regional Commission, not below the rank of assistant professor of a college or university, there must be at least one subject expert among the two members. Quorum will be 3 members. Now, this is the constitution. Now, Muller, 2 or 3 points are there. Kindly come to paragraph 16, Muller. Paragraph 15, 16, paragraph 16. Page 9. It is stated that, Muller got it.
Yes.
It is stated that the Honorable Single Judge Arding Law, it is stated the Honorable Judge felt in not considering that allowing the petitioner to interview for a different reason would lead to a forceful accommodation in the slots of other candidates, ultimately leading to cutting short the allotted time for other candidates, and such an action would disrupt the sanity of the personality test.
Yes.
I have very few legal points. One of the point is this: can the court extend the time? It is a total discretion of the SSC. Had it been informed on 19th itself, we could have asked him to come on 20th. Because 90th and 20th, the interview was going on. She saw on 19th, according to petition, and she informing on 22nd.
Always.
And 23rd, writ petition was filed 25th. The first question, whether the writ court can extend this time. Secondly, misplaced sympathy has no place. When one is asserting his or her right. Court has to go by the law, not on the basis of sympathy. Well, can I cite 3 judgments?
So, let us hear him now.
Okay.
Then if required, he will tell us.
Very nice. Only 3 judgments are there anyway.
Which are the judgments, Mr.
Well, 2 judgments have already quoted in the
order.
Order. Another one, that can add it, 2006-12 SSC On the same point, of course, on the same point. 2006, volume 12 SSC, page 561, paragraph 14 to 17. But another one thing just I want to learn. Another one thing is this. There are so many persons miss the chance for different reasons.
Alright.
If the court gives it to him only, High Court, injustices would be or to the persons who didn't turn up on their interview date. And I hope your lordships know the very popular incident in our judiciary, what has happened.
Yes, Mr. Sharan.
For 5 minutes, I'm just leaving. For 5 minutes.
Yes.
For 5 minutes. My junior is there for 5 minutes. I'm just.
All right.
I am coming back within 5 minutes.
Yes.
Manuel, regarding interview, usual proposition is that you miss the bus, nothing to do. That is the usual proposition in service matter. But here the case is not that so. I believe, first, my lord, that regarding, because in last order, 2 judgment is already cited and today 1 additional judgment is there. All the judgments have no application. Why? Because that judgment is regarding just a person missed the bus. He wants that reschedulement because he just missed it. But here the case is not so. Because here is the reason is there. And not only that, thereafter a scheduled interview date is also there. And today we are on 7th. Tomorrow another scheduled interview. Last occasion, my lord, yesterday, my lord, I handed about 2 notifications. If my lords have with my lord, 2 notifications. One is 2nd January notification and another one is 5th January 2026 notification.
Yes.
First, my lord, take my lord 2nd January 2026 notification.
5th January. Yes, 2nd January.
Yes, my lord. Kindly turn the 2nd page. Schedule. Serial number 8, subject code 9, economics PG. Got it, my lord? Interview date 8 January 2026, 10:30. That is tomorrow. So another interview date is there. My lord, this page.
Economics PG.
Yes, my lord.
On 8 January.
8 January. Kindly turn, my lord, the stay application, page number 68. Side by side. The petitioner subject is also economics PG.
But it's of different reasons.
This selection process is a state level selection. My lord will remember, earlier selection process was the regional level selection process. This is 2nd SLST 2025. Up to 16 RLST. My lord will remember, before this first SLST 2016, there was a regional level selection test. Nowadays, it is not a regional level selection test. It is state level selection test. For that reason, my lord, kindly take this notification itself. That's why, my lord, kindly see the heading of this notification, 2nd January notification. West Bengal Central School Service Commission. There are 5 regions. One is the central. Here, my lord, the Central School Service Commission, my lord, they hold the examination. They prepare the interview list. Thereafter, for the benefit of the candidates, they send it to the respective region for conducting the interview test. Nothing more, nothing less. And they ultimate the panel prepared, panel published, merit list published, everything conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission.
But the last date, which was fixed by the earlier coordinate bench,
Yes.
this matter is admittedly filed subsequent there. Date which was fixed by the earlier bench as subject to correction.
Yes, my lord. Whatever question will fall.
December was the case before. All those petitions which have been filed up to 2:30 p.m. on 16 December.
That issue is completely different issue. My lord, kindly see. I want to cite that judgment itself, my lord. That issue is completely different. That issue is, what was the issue? I just read it, my lord. Para 4 of that 16 January order. My lord, if my lords have, I believe,
We do not have that order.
copy the other. My lord, pardon me, my lord, pardon me, my lord, because of that, my lord, soft copy, because.
You ask him to bring
Yeah.
copy just now. 1 hour matter is going on. You don't bother to bring the judgment also. A very unfortunate
My lord,
state.
that
Very
judge.
unfortunate state.
Sorry, my lord, pardon me, but
Your junior was there. In the evening, there must have been a conference. But still, you don't have.
but I, my lord,
It's the changing pattern of our.
pardon me, because of that, I don't know, but that was, my lord, if he argued on that matter, it was not in my thought process.
That case is on the basis of that order. You don't have a copy for the court.
My lord, and because it is already settled, that's why, my lord,
Yes, we have to wait for your junior to bring the hard copy.
my lord,
Then take your.
my lord, I take another point. Because of that issue was that, my lord, regarding, because from SC/ST OH, because of that, initially they fill up the form in 2 stages. One is that, my lord, for the other category, 500 rupees was the fees, my lord, and for SC/ST PH, 200 rupees the fees, my lord. But they not give opportunity to specify their candidature of the specific category. Suppose a candidate belongs to SC or ST or PH.
For that, you explain to us what is your explanation for not appearing in the interview.
That is, my lord, it is para 7 and 8.
Now, paragraph 7, are you disputing that the website was put up on 16 December?
I am not disputing. I am not disputing.
Now, order was passed on 16 December.
Yes.
It was said all those petitions filed within 16.
No. That petition, that matter.
Different matter.
Yes, different matter and subject matter is also different.
Then when was your interview?
On 19. Kindly turn page number 69. Kindly 68. Kindly turn page number 68. This is.
Yes.
My lord. Yes, my lord. This is call letter for interview. Kindly see the subject. Kindly see reporting date. Got it, my lord? Right side, last column.
Yes.
19 December 2025. I was ill because that order, that which my learned senior.
When was this uploaded?
Uploaded is much obviously prior to the 19. I am not disputing that. On that day, since 18 December, I was ill. 18 December.
What did you do from 17 to 18? 17 was there, 18 was there.
Yes.
18.
I am not disputing that. I can't download it from the website.
Your amendment says that you were sick 1 day prior to the.
Yes.
That is on 18th.
18th.
Now, according to them, it was this interview date was uploaded.
Our interview date was 19. Whenever.
When it was uploaded.
What?
It was in this website prior you to your illness.
Obviously.
Then how do you explain that period? If you fell sick, 19th was the interview. Now 18th, 1 day prior to the interview, you opened it on 19th itself. Now 1 day prior.
1 day prior. That is downloading portion is no dispute of. I am not disputing the downloaded or their uploading. I am
Uploading is upon you. Once
yes.
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 So it was available for downloading from 16.
Yes.
So what did you do?
From
13.
13.
Whatever the date, my lord, whatever the date, my case is that, my lord, pardon me, then bear me. 19 was the date of interview. On particular date, I have to come with that particular interview place. I not able to come on that particular place. That is my case. And after 19,
13th was uploaded for everybody in the state of West Bengal.
Yes.
13th you did not see the website.
But
14th you did not see. 15th you did not see. 16th you did not see. Even 17th you did not see.
But-
Then
but-
on 18th.
My lord, I am not disputing. I am not disputing the uploading or downloading.
However, it
This is not the subject matter in this writ petition, my lord.
He downloaded the intimation letter on 19th. কিন্তু প্যারাগ্রাফ 7 কিন্তু পরিষ্কারভাবে তা বলছে না।
I just read it, my lord, para 7 and 8. It will give the clear picture. My lord,
Downloaded
para 7 and 8. I just read it, my lord, para 7 and 8.
by subsequent measure
Page number
intimation
30.
letter can be downloaded from the petitioner.
Because they give it in 3 websites.
When the petitioner downloaded the intimation letter from the to appear for the oral interview, petitioner find that on that date her interview was scheduled on a to. But due to her illness, তার মানে কখন ডাউনলোডেড এই লাইনটা থেকে কেউ 19 তারিখে ডাউনলোডেড করে যেটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে। Petitioner finds that on that date her interview was scheduled on a to. ওয়েবসাইটে তার ও ডাউনলোড করেছে 19 তারিখে সেটা স্টে পিটিশনে ক্লেম করেছে। পিটিশনে এটা
Petitioner finds that on that date her interview was scheduled. On that date. মানে date when he came to learn. তাহলে he came to learn on 19th
itself.
এবং 19th এর একদিন আগে থেকে অসুস্থ। Then what about from 13th to 7?
Why he did not done?
That is the question. You understood our.
Yes, I understood, my lord. Suppose, my lord, I just given picture. Suppose, my lord.
Let us complete. 13th was uploaded in the website. You saw it on 19th. Or that is on the date of it. That is what your statements.
My lord, I explain, my lord. Yes. But suppose, my lord, for the argument's sake, suppose the candidate download on 13th, for the argument's sake, and he ill on 19th. Had he approached the interviewer? No. Because of that, my reason of non-appearance before the interview is that, my lord, illness is not that I can't download it. That's why that is not my case. My case is yes.
That if it is admitted that it was in the website on 13th, then why did you first access the website on 19th?
My lord, 2 things. One is showing, another is downloading. My lord, suppose, my lord.
It's up to you.
Yes, my lord, suppose, my lord, a candidate, what they did, my lord, suppose, my lord, a candidate, because in these days, my lord, I put a roll number in the mobile also. I can access it any website. And thereafter, my lord, because they ought to take the printout, because if he came to the interview board, they ought to take the printout. They ought to go to, because usually everybody have not the printer. So that's why, my lord, they have to go to the any.
So where is that story, Mr. Raman?
My lord, that is not a subject. I believe, my lord, that is. This is not an. My lord, I am not disputing that.
Discretionary jurisdiction.
Yes.
So we will exercise discretion in your favor. If we find there was any fault on the part of the commission,
I am not.
or you are not in a position to access the interview. That is another thing. Because if you had downloaded on 13th itself, you could have immediately made a representation
No.
my failing condition will not allow me to permit. Because in the representation in which you submit, you say it is your mistake. You please consider as to whether it can be rescheduled. And it is not only on medical ground, there are other family problems also.
Kindly turn page. I want to meet my lord's queries. Kindly turn page number 70. Kindly turn page number 70.
On 7.
70. No, 70.
Of the
Stay application.
70.
Suppose, that's why I give the example. Suppose the candidate download it, show it, whatsoever. On 13, my lord, there was no scope to make application to the SSC. Because on 18, my lord, kindly see the medical document prescription on 18, my lord.
We are not able to compare your medical certificate with your representation contents. Your representation made on 22nd clearly says that it is not only my ailment, it was an unexpected family emergency.
Kindly turn page number 72.
72.
Yes.
হাজবেন্ড কেও পাঠাতে পারেন।
Yes.
Kindly turn. What is the name of this Kollan Mondol? Who is he? He is the husband of the petitioner. So he was also ill. That's why, my lord, on that day is 10th December 2025. Kindly see. Kindly see.
Huh?
Kindly see. That's why, my lord, if I send my husband also, that's why, my lord, in representation I narrated it, that two things. Para 2, my lord, because this is why I give so emphasis, because this is her last attempt, because he is attaining the age 42. First SLST 2016, she was the waitlisted candidate. Now, my lord, she missed it due to this unfortunate event, my lord. So for that reason, my lord, she wants to appear. Nothing more. Might be he not succeed.
Your husband was medical certificate page 72.
2, yes, my lord.
10th December.
2020.
10th of December. Since that, my husband, that is my family, unfortunate family. That's why, my lord, I narrated it in my representation. Unfortunately, I had a sudden medical issue, and also I experienced an family emergency. So that's the reason. And para 8, I specifically mentioned, kindly see para 8.
Mr. Samim, the legislature has not addressed this issue. Maybe
I will explain it.
the date fixed for
I will.
appearance or on the scheduled date of
Yes, rescheduling.
any candidate suddenly fell ill and become incapable to attend the interview, then these things has not been addressed.
Yes.
Now, how judiciary can act?
Yes. Then I made this question, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, that's why, my lord, last occasion I handed over 2 notice. One is 2nd January notice. That is judiciary.
No, we
But
understand your
judicial permission for resettlement. That is
judicial.
my lord, kindly, my lord, my juniors.
Judicial permission was since there was a fault on the part of the
Commission.
Here there is no fault on the
না
part
না
of the commission.
ওখানে ওরাও
And
মিস করেছিল
how can
জেনারেল
we
হিসাবে
give
ইয়েদের
dates
ডেলিগেটেড
when Mr.
My lord, with
There is a floodgate of
no, with greatest of respect, that would not be. That would not be. Why? Because of that time limit. Because tomorrow is the time limit. Last occasion on 26th was the time limit.
He told you that are you wanting to use any opposition? You said no,
Not otherwise become infractious.
That is in a stage when any action taken will abide by.
Yes, might be. Yes. Tomorrow is the interview. That's why. I'll kindly see that judgment, my lord. That second in pursuance of what? And kindly see, my lord, 5th January notice. I will show 2 things. My lord, before that, kindly check 5th January notice. 5th January notice.
Oh, 6th January.
5th January notice. 5th January, 1 page's notice by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. May I read, my lord? It is notified for all concerned that following 3 candidates whose name were in the preliminary interview list for class level 11-12 were initially disqualified on verification of documents and were not allowed to appear for interview. Full stop. The next line is very important. However, on subsequent checking, what is that provision of subsequent checking? Because it is implied inherent of the administration. However, on subsequent checking, there is no provision in the rule of subsequent checking. What is the reason for subsequent checking? However, on subsequent checking, their documents are found to be in order and hence they are considered eligible for interview cum lecture demonstration. Their interview cum lecture demonstration will be held on 8th January 2026. There is no such provision in the rule, neither in the advertisement. They recheck the document. They recheck the credential. There is no such provision. Commission rechecked it, scheduled it, rescheduled it, the interview date, where there is no scope, but they did it. My point is that, my lord, I have no right to employment. In India, no one have that right to employment, but I have equal opportunity in public employment. If a commission, an Article 12 authority, give by bypassing the law, because there is no such provision. If sorry, madam.
Subsequent rechecking, it was found it was a fault on their part. You are saying there is no provision for subsequent checking.
Yes.
So you apply that analogy in this case.
Yes.
So is there no provision in the rule? You allow them, you ask them to do it, since in another matter, subsequent checking was done, which was not permissible under.
My argument is that, my lord.
That is your argument.
Yes, my argument is the following action, not the rechecking action. Following action. Following action is that they says we can't reschedule it. Reschedule the interview date. I want to show by demonstrating these two notice. One is the 2nd January notice, another one is 5th January notice. They reschedule in pursuance of court order. One, that is 2nd January. Second, on 5th January, they reschedule by their own volition. So one is Article 12 authorities action, another one is judicial reviews action. So the Article 12 authority acted upon both. One is on judicial action, another one is in their own volition by bypassing the law. Here, my lord, my case is that, my lord, the Honorable Single Bench passed order on merit by satisfying that yes, on that particular date, I was ill. There was a opportunity because there was a date, might be in another region, because this is a state level selection test. And the state level selection said, I have no grievance. If they want to say you have to go to the Darjeeling, I will go there because this is my last chance. I am 42 years old. Last year, in the first SLST 2016, I was an waitlisted candidate. Due to corruption of this particular commission, my lord, I not get appointment. Whereas this is my last chance because
Waitlisted.
yes, but if they're not
you were not appointed.
Yes, but why I am waitlisted not get appointment? Due to their corruption. Due to their corruption, because I was waitlisted candidate, I was a meritorious candidate. Due to blank OMR sheet, someone get appointment, whereas I not get appointment. I am now 42 years old. I will not get opportunity due to this unforeseen event, my lord. And that too, my lord, tomorrow is the interview date. And my lord, kindly see this 2nd January, tomorrow is and there is no such mentioning of the which region, because this notice is done by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. So West Bengal Central, if they want to send me in Darjeeling, I will go there. If they want to send me Bankura, I will go there for giving interview. I am not asking for any appointment. I am asking for appear in the interview. It might be I not succeeded.
But how do you explain 13 to 18?
13 to, my lord, two things. One is that, my lord, a person, a village woman, when he go to suppose in a cyber cafe for print out.
So where is that reading in your petition?
My lord, that was not, my lord, what was my case? My case is that can you visualize it? Can you visualize for a minute? What is my case? I missed 19th December interview date. That's my case. And for that reason, I was not silent, my lord. Kindly see para 8.
So you did not miss the day. You are sick and such you would not have.
Yes.
Your argument.
Yes.
But you come to page 74.
17?
4. It is your own letter. Last line of first paragraph.
17 or 74.
Yes, first paragraph.
Please accept my sincerest apologies for missing my interview date, assistant. And thereafter, my lord, I mentioned in second paragraph. I place hold. Yes. Sorry, my lord. Pardon me because of that, my lord. This is her last chance. That's why, my lord, I tried.
I deeply regret this oversight.
Yes. Because of that, my lord. My lord, kindly please accept my sincere apologies for missing my interview for assistant teacher position scheduled for at reporting time. I deeply regret the oversight. Unfortunately, but it might be the language, my lord, due to because English language for me also. English language is a foreign language, my lord. And my lord, kindly explanation is given in the next paragraph because you have, my lord, for being the substantial justice. The whole document is necessary. What is the content of this whole representation? What is the content? I just placed the whole, just is a one-page representation, my lord. Unfortunately, I had a sudden medical issue and also I experienced an unexpected family emergency. That's why, my lord, I referred that my husband's document. I understand the importance of professionalism and punctuality and take full responsibility for not informing you sooner. I remain very interested in this role, the opportunity to work with your board with such and such, because he even narrated the commission as a board, because he's a layman, she is a layman. Kindly see para 8, page number 31.
Only post interview
Yes, yes, obviously, because I was ill on that day. How could I? And my husband was also ill. Before that one, just
Yes, my lord.
Can anything be done?
No, my lord, this matter.
I'm not saying that, for taking into consideration this fact that those 26,000 jobs are over. Had there been the entire cancellation of the selections by the verdict of the Supreme Court, a fresh selection process has been initiated by you. Had the situation been otherwise, he would have come within the zone of consideration. And 40 years, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, and you are a very senior counsel.
No, my lord, this is beyond my.
We don't think we do.
No, no, my lord, this is.
Unless you.
My lord, this is a.
No, law points will remain, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
My lord, it is difficult for me to give any concept. It is difficult for me.
কতবার রিকোয়েস্ট করব?
But initially, what has happened in that case is I have acknowledged that. Lordship knows.
We understand your problem.
Initially, I did it. Lord, can you remember?
Yes, see, in previous occasion also you said we are not proceeding with the appeal. You asked them to go and do
that. I had did it, but that was a time. But today is not the time.
One interview, Mr.
No, my lord, not possible.
You by saying that it will not be a precedent, Mr.
No, my lord. Your lordship doesn't know what is happening in all these matters. I am telling your lordship, so much pressure is that if in one matter, one matter before the one single judge, I said, all right, I will look into this. Immediately on the next day, that same judge is saying, you wanted to consider that case, why you will not consider this case? Is it possible? My lord, honestly I am speaking, my lord. Let me take it very honestly from you. My lord, if Justice Chakraborty says anything to consider, That is, that's
Not on that issue, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
well, I have that regard, respect,
My brother,
love, everything.
you just have a conversation with Mr. Bandyopadhyay relating to this issue.
No,
As
no,
I
no.
have ventilated my brother's comments to
No,
you.
no, that's all right. My justice, Chatterjee also consider my
Only
position.
to Mr. Bandyopadhyay, there is merit in your appeal. We are undoubtedly saying. But the thing is, if 26,000 appointment would not have been cancelled today, now it is been, if those 26,000 posts would not have been filled up, this person would have come within the zone of
No,
concern.
that is just a pro.
Just an analogy which is being.
That is different thing. Everybody has suffered for that. Not that this gentleman also, this lady.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
Yeah, give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
no,
Give me
we are, oh, 2 minutes.
yes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Spend so much.
My lord.
Yes. Yes.
My problem is, my lord Justice Chakraborty.
No, no.
Yes.
Don't say this. Don't say
Yes.
this. You had been a senior counsel.
No, my problem is whenever your lordship says I
No,
can't.
don't say that. Then it becomes difficult.
No, it is difficult
I
for me.
attempt as a person who will interfere in any manner.
No, that's your lordship is very sympathetic. My lord is very sympathetic, I know. My lord, kindly do one thing, my lord. Let him come tomorrow. Let him come tomorrow. In the building, he has the notification is with him. In which building they have been called. All are called.
Yeah. Which building? Item number 8. Serial number 8. Mr. Samim? Where? Yeah, venue DK72 Salt Lake Sector 2. Beside Anandalok Hospital.
Second office.
Second office.
Second office.
Yeah.
Let her go tomorrow. But my lord, kindly make it clear that legally we are right.
This is not clear.
Kindly record. Legally we are right, but we have considered a case, and this will not create any precedent to anywhere. Kindly hold that legally we are right.
Thank you, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Well, can I leave? Can I leave with
Yes.
your permission?
Yes. Yes.
No.